Lesson 2. NFT Ideas for Chefs and Restaurants. In this video, we'll look at how chefs and restaurants can use NFTs. As we have learned, NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are digital assets that can represent anything, from digital menus and limited edition recipes, to virtual cooking classes, digital cookbooks, virtual tours of your restaurant, and much more. They are unique and one of a kind, and they allow chefs and restaurants to monetize their digital content in creative new ways. But before you start creating your own NFTs, it's important to identify what you want to offer. Decide what unique digital assets you want to create and offer as NFTs. You could offer anything, but tokens that are linked to real-life experiences, such as cooking classes or exclusive dinners, might be the best way to engage with people who are looking for something special. What else can you think of that will be valuable to your customers? You could create a digital menu and offer it as an NFT. This would allow customers to access your menu on their phone or computer, and order exclusive dishes specially created for the NFT. Owners could even resell the NFTs in the future when they become more valuable. Alternatively, you could create a virtual cooking class and offer it as an NFT. This would allow customers to learn how to cook your signature dishes, demonstrated exclusively by you. You could also offer a virtual tour of your restaurant as an NFT. This would allow customers to get a sneak peek of your restaurant before visiting in person. A virtual tour could allow people to see parts of your restaurant regular customers don't get to see. You could also include information about your restaurant's history and explain the inspiration behind your dishes. An NFT could connect customers with chefs in lots of exciting ways. NFTs could unlock chefs' tables, personal meetings with the chef, real-life cooking demonstrations, or even food tours and market visits. Another idea could be creating a digital cookbook and offering it as an NFT. This would allow customers to access your recipes and cooking tips on their phone or computer. You could offer exclusive digital artwork and photography. And it would be a great way to monetize your recipe collection, while offering something special to loyal customers. The possibilities are endless, so it's important to think about what digital assets would be valuable to your customers. Remember, NFTs are a new technology with a lot of potential. By understanding and carefully curating your NFT, you can connect with your customers in ways you never imagined possible. In the next lesson, we'll look at how to choose the right platform for your NFT project. Let's innovate with the NFT cookbook tutorial.